The Reach and Rise condos in Brickell first gained prominence mostly since they were the two residential towers offered in the impressive Brickell City Center complex, which if you don't know is primarily a high-end shopping mall that includes over 500,000 square feet of retail space and offers some luxury retailers such as Saks Fifth Avenue, Valentino, and Show Park. The residential component was marketed as preeminent living on top of a high-end shopping mall. So if you enjoy the high density that the city life gives you, then this was a very attractive selling point. With access to and from the mall only an elevator ride away, BCC essentially becomes an additional amenity, so you can see how tough it is for other buildings to try to compete with this. Reach Condo was opened in 2016, and I remember thinking when it first opened that having a condo sit on top of BCC was a bit gimmicky, at least to me. You have to think that up to this point, high-end retail shopping and dining to this scale was something that Brickell was in dire need of, so the main focus, to me at least, was more on the retail component than that of the residential component. And for a time, that residential component seemed to be overshadowed by a marvel of development that is Brickell City Center. But I can say firsthand that opinion of mine quickly changed when I first started to show this property back in 2016 to some of my clients. See, I had it wrong. The residential towers weren't overshadowed by BCC, they complemented it. They worked in unison to provide some of the best city living Brickell has to offer. Condo units in these towers are modern luxury, which provide a sophisticated yet gritty aesthetic. This is highlighted by the stone color countertops and tile, as well as the overlarge glass and metal framing found on the balcony and the exterior of the property. This concept and color palette lends itself well to its surroundings and in part of what I feel makes the building more desirable. In today's property tour, we'll take you to a 2-bedroom, 2-bath and a half unit in Brickell Reach. It comes in at a spacious 1377 square feet, and this layout has everything that you could possibly want from Miami condo. It's currently listed for rent at $6,800 per month and comes fully furnished. So my final thoughts on Reach before we get into today's video is that if you're someone who enjoys high density city lifestyle with tons of walkability and foot traffic, and not to mention the whole vibe and aesthetic that kind of lifestyle brings with it, then you're definitely gonna love this building, as it's one of the better options that you have at this price point, especially in the Brickell area. So don't forget to leave your feedback in the comment section below, and make sure to like, subscribe, and click that notification bell for more weekly content like this. And with that, guys, let's get started with today's tour.
Hey guys, I hope you enjoyed today's video and I hope that I earned your trust enough to make you want to subscribe to the channel, as that would mean the world to me. If you're still watching and want to see more, then YouTube thinks you're going to be interested in this video and I think you're going to be more interested in this. The choice is yours. Either way, I hope to see you around soon. Take care and God bless.